What's up, guys? Brandon with Bro Adventures again. Since I'm going out west, Utah actually, I needed a little more space. So I ended up getting the Husky rolling box. I do have a rooftop rack basket, and I don't want to run ratchet straps over the top because it's just something you got to undo every time, and I'm not really wanting to do that. So I went a little bit of a different route. So there you see Unistrut. The reason I'm doing this is it gives me more support inside versus just one hole. It would have to rip this whole thing apart in order for it to fly off, and that's highly unlikely. So I do have washers underneath to bridge the gap between this right here, but that'll give me some decent rigidity, especially when it's loaded up. Show you what I'm talking about. Alright, so here's the Husky rolling box on top of my basket. You can see that I do have the bolts sticking down. So what I'm going to end up doing with that is putting another piece of Unistrut underneath and running it underneath these bars all the way across. And then I have a cool little device to use to bolt it in. Alright, so I'm taking another piece of Unistrut. It was green, this is shallow strut, so it's 7/8. But I'm going to use it upside down. And since I'm very cheap, everyone knows what these are. If you have a push lawnmower, these are the handle. When your handle breaks apart, you take these, undo these. So I dig these out of our metal recycling dumpster. So I don't pay for those, but I use them on everything. So I'm just going to slide this in underneath here. And all these are always 5/16. So when you're shopping for bolts, shop for 5/16 bolts. But all I'm going to do is spin that on there. Now that's in there. It's moving the whole car. That ain't going anywhere. The only thing you gotta do is check these once in a while. But there's no straps on the top, so I can still open this when I want to without strapping it down. Just an option. I find it works pretty darn well. I do check these every once in a while, and if it's going to be crazy windy, I will throw a strap on there, but most of the time I just let it be. So it's not the hardest thing to do in the world, but it is Unistrut, so you do have to have a sawzall or a bandsaw. You could use a hacksaw, but that would take a little bit. I got a small little porta-band from Milwaukee, works out really well for cutting that Unistrut. But something that simple, a 10-foot stick of Unistrut is like 20 bucks, so you can do a lot with that. Takes up way less space than wood, way stronger, and a couple bolts and you're good to go. If you like what I'm doing, like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.